The Breakroom Video Player allows you to stream live or pre-recorded video into your regions. Our platform supports many common video formats, such as MP4, HLS, and YouTube videos. To add a video player to your region, go into the region editor. Find the Breakroom Video Player object in your inventory list. Place the object into the region and click Save and Close. To set up the video player, we will need to access its control panel. To do that, click on the gear icon in the bottom control bar. Note that the control panel is only accessible to the object owner and region administrators. Let's go through this video player settings. The video address is the URL of where the website is hosted. Checking the autoplay box will cause the video to play automatically when avatars approach the video player. Checking loop video box will cause the video to replay continually. Checking the silent mode box will cause the video to play with muted audio until a viewer clicks the zoom in button.
Wide range of events and meetings.
The save button will save the selected settings. The splash image button will open a panel that allows us to change the splash screen image. Let's change the splash screen image. Click the Upload New Image button and then select Splash Screen from your computer. Or click the Image Library button to browse through images that you've previously uploaded to Breakroom. After you've changed the image, press X and save your changes.